Marcos is back. He was in the garage. He said, can I come over? I was like, you want to come over today? It's a holiday. He was like, yeah, I'm in the garage. Get you a neighbor like Marcos. That's all I'm saying. This is a real handyman. I don't put your face on there though. However you want to do it is fine with me, Marcos. Do you need me to hold it? No? Okay. Handyman at work. Oops. You got it. Did it. Perfecto mundo. Perfect. Just like the Fonz. Perfecto mundo. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, I think that's a good post. And you put the two things on there. Yeah, and then you just turn. Yeah. I wonder if, I'm pretty sure they do, if something happens to the hose, if you could just order a new one and put it in there or something. I'm pretty sure. I should have asked that before I bought it, but I was like, I want a hose reel. Yay! Marcos just let me know my pliers is made in the US. Hey, I didn't even know they were in there. I was like, do you need pliers? He's like, you have some blue ones in there. I said, you know my tool's better than me. Look at that. Look at that. This is fantastic. Those dogs over there are always yapping. Always. They're worse than the roosters that are around here. Fantastic. Nice. That's exciting. Yeah, that one should be on. So it has to get through the hose first, and then let's see. Nice! It's working. How do you make that look so easy, Marcos? Oh, that is perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, the magic of Marcos. Ladies and gentlemen, the hose reel is done. I was outside talking to Marcos. But look at this. Beauty in the garden. Look, I got it. And then we tested it out. It's 140 feet. We went all the way to the tree, pulled it all the way to the trees back there. And I was able to pull it all the way to the side of the house where my succulents and my trash cans are. Oh, I could get rid of this old hose and throw it away. I'm so excited. Marcos is a godsend. Look at this. So this is called the Glahoden. And so let me show you. The grass is kind of soppy, but I turned it off right now. But you can pull it. Okay, and then you do this. And then it pulls back. Marco says, you have a new toy now. I have a new toy now. Now I could get rid of this old hose because I trip over it at least once or twice a day when I'm out here. And now I'm gonna go in the house, take me some medicine, and go to sleep. This is the end of the video. You all have a good day. Bye. Bye-bye, old water hose. Hello, Glahoden hose reel. Fantastic.